Women have always played a crucial role in shaping history and society. Did you know that women were instrumental in the development of early computer programming? Ada Lovelace, often considered the first computer programmer, created algorithms for Charles Babbage's early mechanical general-purpose computer. Additionally, women have been at the forefront of social change, from the suffragette movement advocating for voting rights to modern leaders pushing for equality. Their contributions continue to inspire and empower future generations.